Sun, our tour guide, was absolutely amazing. The information she shared and the patience in explaining each stupa and part of history made it a wonderful experience. I recommend this trip to anyone with an interest in the history of these majestic spaces. I booked the Wat Pho Wat Arun walking tour on Klook, and it was a great experience. The booking process was easy, and I got instant confirmation with clear instructions. The guide was on time, friendly, and very knowledgeable. They shared interesting facts about both temples, making the tour more enjoyable. Wat Pho's reclining Buddha was amazing, and Wat Arun's design was beautiful. The tour was well organized with a good pace, allowing enough time for photos. Everything went smoothly, and I highly recommend this tour for a hassle-free visit to these famous temples. I recently had the pleasure of taking a walking tour of Wat Pho Wat Arun with my mom and dad, and it was an unforgettable experience. Our tour guide, Nancy, was absolutely amazing, knowledgeable, friendly, and incredibly engaging. Nancy provided fascinating insights into the history, culture, and significance of these iconic temples. At Wat Pho, she explained the intricate details of the reclining Buddha and the importance of the temple as a center for traditional Thai massage. Then, we took a short ferry ride across the Chao Phraya River to Wat Arun, where she guided us through the stunning architecture and breathtaking views from the temple. The tour was well-paced, allowing us time to explore, take photos, and even enjoy some local snacks along the way. Nancy made sure everyone felt comfortable and answered all our questions with enthusiasm. Her passion for Thai history and culture truly made the experience special. If you're looking for a well-organized and insightful tour of Bangkok's most beautiful temples, I highly recommend, and if you can, request Nancy as your guide. You won't regret it. We ran late for the tour as we got scammed by our van driver, not booked through Klook. Our guide, Nutch, tried her best to wait for us while taking care of the tour group. Our scammy driver also got an earful from her. Nutch was caring, informative, funny, and an overall great tour guide. I won't hesitate to book this tour again. Nancy was a great tour guide who showed us the 2 attractions with a lot of great historical insight. She was also very funny and showed great interest in our well-being while we were battling with the Bangkok heat. Star emoji, star emoji, star emoji, star emoji, star emoji. The temple run tour was fantastic. Wat Arun and Wat Pho are must-see cultural spots, beautiful and full of history. Our guide was amazing, super funny, welcoming, and clearly passionate about his work. He made the experience even better. Highly recommend this tour. Second day of our Thailand trip, and we got Pai Sun Ka as our tour guide. She is amazingly considerate, funny, and very informative. I left that tour with new information about Thailand's rich history, and I wouldn't want it any other way. I just want to thank our tour guide Jack. He is a highly recommended tour guide. He is so nice, friendly, informative, and just one of the best tour guide in Thailand. I enjoyed my whole tour with him, and even though I am traveling alone, he helped me a lot by providing me tips here in Thailand. Hey Jack, if you can read this, I just want to say hi from Philippines. I highly recommend the Nina guide. She was kind and explained their history in an easy-to-understand way. He also recommended a place with good photos. If I visit Wat Arun in Thailand again next time, I will look for a Nina guide. Thank you so much, Nina, smiley face emoji. A good tour guide with vast experience. Made sure all is well and a nice walkthrough with the happenings around the temple and its historical figures. The tour guide Nancy was good and very knowledgeable. We'll return a second time when the time is good. Very memorable experience. Our tour guide Jack is very detailed in explaining the history of Thailand. We experienced heavy rain during the tour, but we still managed to finish it and went home safely. Kudos to our tour guide. Will definitely recommend this to my family and friends, smiley face emoji.